Hi, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Blatt here. I'm going to help you today figure out how to use Kiddle. I'm sure many of you have used it before in your research and library classes. What I'm going to be walking you through today is how to search on there for our Pennsylvania state facts. This is going to help you find those really interesting facts that we have about our state, and hopefully you'll get to know our state a little better in this journey. So what I did is I opened up a new tab on my computer and I'm at Google. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to type in Kiddle.co, C-O. And I can also put this on our website for you to directly link off of. So once I'm on Kiddle, I'm going to type in what I'm searching for. And today that's going to be Pennsylvania state facts. Now, the other thing with looking for this, you want to make sure that you're spelling Pennsylvania correctly. You guys do live here, so make sure you're doing that for me, please. I'm going to hit the search engine, and then I'm going to get a lot of choices here. So the first one I see is Pennsylvania fun facts, state symbols, photos, visitor information. Now, you can go ahead and you can always click on the first thing right away, but a really good strategy to use is to actually scroll down and look through all the websites that are available to you. You might actually see some that pop out to you. I know when I looked at the second one, this National Geographic website, I know that that's a really reputable site for me to work off of, and I may have gotten some information off of there before for a project that I've done previously. I also see cool kid facts, Pennsylvania state information. This is from 50 states. So as I'm looking through these, the title of the website is going to be that one in blue. And when I put my cursor over top of there, see how it goes from an arrow to a hand? That means that I'm going to be able to click on it. And this gives me quick facts. And down here in the gray, that tells me the actual web address that I'm going to be taken to if I click on that one. So I see Dexter's is down here. We've used that before as well. And down here at the bottom, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that just tells me that there's 10 pages worth of information here. You do not need to look through all of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll back at the top, and I'm actually going to go to kids.nationalgeographic.com because I know that I've used that before, and I just want to see what it looks like. Once I click on it, it takes me directly to the site. And in here, I see Pennsylvania. So right away, I got one fact. Look, get facts and photos about the second state. And fast facts, these are some really good facts that we need for our research, guys. I'm getting a lot of the history of Pennsylvania, why it's called that. So to me, this looks like a really good resource for me to use, and I want to probably get some information off of here. Does that mean I have to get all my information off of here? Absolutely not. I want you to look at other resources to use. The more that you're reading, the more that you are learning. You might have missed something on here. And also, please just don't swish through here and think, oh, okay, well, I just need this part, this thing, this thing. No, take your time, read through the information, and when you feel like you've had enough information off of here, to get back to Kiddle, I'm going to go up next to my web address, which is up here, and I'm going to hit the back button. Once I do that, I'm taken back to Kiddle, and my search is already saved from previously, and I can go on to my next website. Maybe I'll click on that fun Pennsylvania facts now, cool kid facts. Same thing. Look around, see what kind of information you want to get. Now, one thing I've seen here is a neat text feature in websites. Look at this sentence. After all, it's the state where the Declaration of Independence was signed and the Constitution was written. Constitution looks a little different from every other word in that sentence. It's blue. So that tells me that it's going to be one of those hyperlinks that if I put my finger over it, it turns into a pointer, and I can click on that now. If I click on that, though, that's going to be taking me to information on the Constitution. I do not want that. I want to stick to information just on Pennsylvania. So here's some more information. Again, if I feel like I've had enough or I don't like the website, I can click back. And it'll bring me back to my original search, and I can continue on my research. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teachers and continue on your research, and we cannot wait to see what you guys learn.